We have done. We're done with the functions of mitochondria. That is production of energy, formation of ATP, right, students? So today we are going to see the next component, which we can easily observe in the eukaryotic cell, and that is plastids, students. Plastids. Okay, plastids are present only in plant cells. All right, they're present only in plant cells, and one more thing, yes. So these are the types of plastids we can see, which you can see on the screen, students. I have chloroplast, I have chromoplast, I have leucoplast. You must all be well aware of chloroplast, right, students? Chloroplast के बारे में अच्छे से पता है सबको?
थोड़ा बहुत सर.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा बहुत पता.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no problem, no problem. That's the basic thing. What do we know? What is the basic thing that we know about chloroplast, students?
It
What is the
produces
basic?
enough food of the plants with the help of sunlight, water, and air.
Superb. With the help of sunlight, with the help of water, with the help of air. Now, which component of air specifically? It is CO2. Right, students? So CO2 plus light plus water together, it will produce food and oxygen for us. So this process is known as photosynthesis. You all can lower down your hands, students. All of you can lower down your hands. So it will produce food. Green plants will produce food, and that is done by the photosynthesis process is done by the chloroplast. Okay, students, it is done by the chloroplast. Now, chloroplast contains what all things? Chloroplast inside it contains what all things, students? क्या क्या होता है chloroplast के अंदर? So we know the answer. It contains chlorophyll pigments and carotenoids. Carotenoids is a type of pigment which is present in the chloroplast. It is also present in the chromoplast, students. Check करो यहाँ पे chromoplast में. Now, what is chromoplast? Chroma. This word indicates. Yes, can anybody help me? Chroma means what? Chroma. This term indicates what?
Color.
Color is right answer. Chromoplast. Chroma indicates color. Okay. So you must have heard about this term, students. Monochromatic light. Have you heard about this term? Monochromatic light or
Yes.
polychromatic light. Okay.
Yes.
sir.
Okay, very good, very good. If you have not heard about this term, don't have to worry because you're going to cover this in physics. Okay, you will be covering this in physics, no problem at all. If you have heard already, you must be aware of this, that when I say monochromatic, I refer to a single wavelength. Okay, single light. ठीक है, wavelength और वो सारी चीजें जाने देते हैं, अभी खाली light पे रहते हैं. तो single color, monochromatic light. So when I say chromoplast, over here, I surely indicate something related to color. So these pigments, chromoplast is going to give color to the plants. It is going to give color to the parts of plant. Maybe flowers, petals का example लेते हैं students. Petals है ना, petals के case में, when petals are colorful, when we say red roses, red, yellow, so all these colors are coming from where? Who is responsible for imparting them color? Chromoplast. Okay, students, chromoplast. And chromoplast is made up of which pigments? You can read in the bracket: carotene and xanthophyll. Let us come back. So plastids के कितने types होते हैं, students? How many types do I have with plastids? They are only present in plant cells, by the way. Yes, plastids के how many types do we have? Zoha, Ali, Jigar, you both can lower down your hands. Zoha,
3 types.
lower down your hands, students. So we have 3 types of plastids, correct? 3 types of plastids. The first type is chloroplast, second is chromoplast, and the third is leucoplast. Jigar, can you hear me? Jigar Gada, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, चल. So chloroplast, chromoplast, and then I have the last type, which is leucoplast. Now students, आपने पहले भी पढ़ा होगा leukocyte. Have you heard this term?
Leuco means white.
Tabash. Leuco means white. Well done, Aditya. Leuco means white. At times they also indicate leuco as colorless, but generally it is white because we say leukocyte is the other term for white blood cell. Leukocyte, white blood cell. Cyte means cell. Leuco means white. So white blood cells. उस तरह से नाम यहाँ पे आ रहा है ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. What is the function of leucoplast? Yesterday Ramiz was saying something about leucoplast. He actually gave us 2-3 terms. And which were those terms? Let us see those terms now, students. Here देखो. Over here you can see the main function of leucoplast. How I remember this as, I remember leucoplast is something which will store for me. It is storage house. चलो. ठीक है, स्टोर करेगा चीजों को, बट नॉट लाइक वैक्यूल्स. वैक्यूल्स में you may have useful products also, you may have excretory products also stored in the vacuoles, but over here we have segregation, we have separation with regards to biomolecules. समझ में आया? ल्यूकोप्लास्ट में अलग अलग बायोमोलिक्यूल्स अलग अलग ल्यूकोप्लास्ट में स्टोर हो जाते हैं. जैसे कि एक ल्यूकोप्लास्ट का नाम है स्टूडेंट्स, ये चेक करो. ल्यूकोप्लास्ट के भी टाइप्स होते हैं. First type is amyloplast. Amyloplast will store which biomolecule?
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
So this was the term which Ramiz was speaking about yesterday. We could have covered this yesterday, but कोई बात नहीं, अपन आज cover कर रहे हैं. Amyloplast is the, I'll say like this, amyloplast is a type of leucoplast. Amyloplast is a type of leucoplast which will store carbohydrates, which will store carbohydrates. Is this clear, students? Okay, should I go ahead? Also, कल रमीज ने एक और term use किया था कि they are found in large amount in potato because they store starch. That is also absolutely correct. When I say starch, the generalized term which I'm using for starch over here is carbohydrate. That is the name of category. Correct, students? Like when I say Adi Purav, when I say Jigar, when I say Manav, ये लोग क्या हैं? ये सब इंसान हैं. So that is general term, है ना? एक इंसान. What is his name? Actual name Adi. What is his actual name? Manav. What is the actual name? Pritesh. वैसा. So वो जनरल नेम क्या हुआ? ह्यूमन बीइंग. वैसा कुछ जनरल टर्म क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट. स्पेसिफिक टर्म क्या है? स्टार्च. ओके, तो आप ये मत सोचना स्टार्च क्या है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट ही है क्या कि क्या है. यस, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको समझना है कि सर ऐसे कितने टाइप के कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं, सो डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू डू बायोमोलिक्यूल्स चैप्टर. ओवर देयर आई विल गिव यू मेनी एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, सो ये भी अपन कवर करने वाले हैं आगे स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में. डोंट वरी. Okay, next biomolecule students, elaioplast. What is the term? Elaioplast. So this is the second type of leucoplast. Please check over here. This is the second type of leucoplast known as elaioplast. Stores what all things? Tell me students. Elaioplast will store
Oil and fat.
oil and fat is right.
Oil.
Oil and fat is right answer. Suggest me a term which I can use for both of them. Oil को भी fat को भी अगर एक ही नाम देना चाहूँ तो क्या नाम यूज करूँगा?
Lipids.
Perfect. Perfect. शाबाश. बहुत लोगों ने आंसर्स दिया. I could see Palak also answering. I could see Manasvi. I could see Devanshi, जिगर गड़ा. इन सब के आंसर्स आए. इन सब की आवाजें मुझे आई. बाकी लोगों ने आवाज दिया, मुझे आंसर्स दिए, but I couldn't catch those names. Okay. ठीक है. Next students. Next type of leucoplast is, yes, now you can see aleuroplast. What is the name? Aleuroplast. Aleuroplast will store
Proteins.
Proteins.
Very good. Proteins. है ना? Correct है मानसी. शाबाश. So I have 3 types of leucoplast students. I have 3 types of leucoplast. Okay, now you can see clearly. I have 3 types of leucoplast. One is amyloplast. Then I have elaioplast. Then I have aleuroplast. Amyloplast will store carbohydrates. There is one more technique to remember this, students. There is one more technique to remember this. Tell me, which enzyme is present in saliva? Which enzyme is present in saliva?
Starch.
Amylase.
Salivary amylase.
Salivary amylase. क्या बात है? Very good. Salivary amylase. शाबाश वारी. सलाइवरी अमाइलेज है ना? सलाइवा में हमारे कौन सा एंजाइम होता है? सलाइवरी अमाइलेज. ओके, इफ इन केस यू डोंट नो दिस टर्म, अगेन यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, बिकॉज मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा कौन से चैप्टर में? न्यूट्रिशन, ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन चैप्टर में आई विल कवर दिस, जहां पे आप यू विल स्टडी अबाउट एंटायर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. In that chapter, I will cover this enzyme, students. By the way, anybody knows the other name for this enzyme? Is there anybody who knows the other name for this enzyme? It starts with letter
it's
P.
P-tyl something.
Shabash, tylene, tylene. Well done, Devanshi. Tylene. P is silent. Okay. All right. Amylase. वहां पे students नाम है salivary amylase because it breaks carbohydrate. है ना? Over here I have amyloplast because it stores carbohydrate. Second type of leucoplast is elaioplast. Elaioplast stores oil and fat. Overall I can see the category is lipid. Lipids के ही दो type होते हैं students. Oil and fat are the two types of lipids. All right. अच्छा, one more question, very confusing question and very general question जहां पे बहुत लोग confuse हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, क्या question है मेरा? Fatty acid is also known as fat. True or false?
False.
Take minute. How many of you agree with this? If you agree with this, कि yes, it is true, you have to raise your hand. आदित्य सोच ले एक बार, ठीक है? Fatty acid is also known as fat. True or false? If you think it is true, raise your hands. Fatty acid is also known as fat. Fatty acid is also known as fat. Zoha Ali, you have your hand raised even now. Is this for the question? Because तेरा हाथ अब तक नीचे नहीं गया है, Zoha. If you can hear me, Zoha. Okay, Ramiz and Sakshi ने हाथ ऊपर किया था, but they've lowered down their hands. Okay, so how many of you agree with this? Fatty acid is also known as fat. None of you. Sakshi still agrees. Okay. What about the others? Shushti Panchal, Adipura, Arpita. What about you people? Diksha Shah. Okay. Priscilla, can you hear me clearly, Priscilla?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shabash. We are in this cell unit of life chapter. Okay, Priscilla? This is her first session, students. Priscilla is attending her first session. Priscilla, this is cell structure and function. You can find this chapter in your board's textbook also, in your NCERT textbook also. The name of the chapter is Cell, the Unit of Life, or Cell Structure and Function. Okay? Okay,
Okay, sir.
We are in the 5th lecture. So you will get the link for the previous 4 lectures. Don't worry, you can go through all my lectures. Okay, yes, students. So the answer is, yes, Sakshi, you can lower down your hand now. Students, the answer is fatty acid is not same as fat. There is huge difference, students. Okay, fat, students. Fat or oil or lipid, all these, ये तीनों जन हैं, oil बोलूं या fat बोलूं या lipid बोलूं, all these 3 components are formed by, they are produced by glycerol and fatty acids. So glycerol and fatty acids मिलके they will form lipids or oil or fat. Okay, students? ठीक है? So fat means bigger component. Fat is formed up of fatty acid plus glycerol. Fat is formed by fatty acid plus glycerol. Okay, students? Is that understood? Is that understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
is that clear with you, Sakshi? Yes, Sakshi. Is that clear with you now? So fatty acid is one of the component of fat. Okay. Okay. I'll go to the next series, students. My next structure. Now, one by one, एक-एक को देखते हैं. ठीक है? इनमें से, of all these 3 plastids, the most important one is chloroplast. Okay, so that has been discussed in both boards also, in CBSE board also, HSE board also. Okay, so we will go ahead with chloroplast. All right, students, even ICSE board also.
Sir,
That is I.
sir,
Yes,
last
yes,
slide
Palak.
का screenshot ले लेने दो ना.
Sure. ये ले. Should I zoom this or this is okay?
No, sir, this is okay.
All right. ठीक है. चलो आगे जाते हैं. So this is students chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, as you can see all the labeling, students? Are you able to see all the labels?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. So before I go on to this chloroplast, again students, जैसे हमने mitochondria की पढ़ाई की थी, like we studied for mitochondria, similarly, I will first draw a simple diagram to help you understand what is chloroplast, and then we will come to this diagram. Okay, so do not get confused. Let us first understand how exactly chloroplast would look like. Okay, students, how exactly chloroplast would look like. चलो, so if I want to see chloroplast, students, chloroplast कैसे अपन देखें chloroplast को? Just a second. Yes. Now let us go ahead. So chloroplast, students, I can see the outermost layer. This is the outermost layer of chloroplast. Mitochondria, students, if you remember, mitochondrion is made up of how many layers?
Two.
How many
Two
membranes?
layers, inner membrane and outer membrane.
Shabash. Very good. Very good. I've got replies in the chat box also, students. Very good. Shabash. Outer membrane of mitochondrion was
Continuous.
Continuous.
Yes. Very good. But the inner layer was like this, if you remember. है ना? Like this. इसको हमने क्या
Yes,
बोला,
sir.
students?
Crystal.
Finger-like
Very
projections.
good. Very good. So the inner layer of mitochondrion was having foldings, and these foldings we had termed them as cristae.
Cristae.
Very good. Cristae. Correct, students? Cristae. Now let us come back to chloroplast. Today we are doing chloroplast. So chloroplast कैसा दिखता है? Check करते हैं, students. Chloroplast also has two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Let us see the two membranes. So this is the outer membrane, students. Check karo. So both the membranes are continuous. Both the membranes are continuous. There are no foldings over here, students. Have I understood the first difference? There are no foldings at all. There are no foldings. Next, tell me the answer, students. In case of what I'll do is, see, even Priscilla is attending the session, so she won't be understanding about mitochondrion. So what I'll do for her is, so that she understands, because वो बेचारी को ऐसा ना लगे कि क्या बातें हो रही है, मैंने तो ये सेशन ही नहीं बैठी थी. So वैसा ना लगे, इसलिए अपन क्या करते हैं, students? Let us do one thing. I'll draw mitochondrion on one side and I'll draw chloroplast on the other side. Okay, so we'll be able to compare both of them. Okay, so this is mitochondria is plural term, if you remember. Mitochondria is plural term. Mitochondrion is singular term. Okay, so I'll write mitochondrion over here. Very good, Ramesh. That is right answer. That is right answer. Okay. Next, over here, I'm going to draw chloroplast. Okay, students, यहाँ पे अपन draw करने वाले हैं chloroplast. ठीक है, Priscilla? Do let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, you can stop me immediately.
sir.
Yes, you can stop me immediately if you have any kind of doubt. Okay, and for others, you can enjoy, you can let me know all your doubts. You can enjoy the session, and I want all of you to be active. I want all of you to be very, very active with me. Okay, so first thing, students, mitochondrion ka outer membrane, let me draw. This is the outer membrane of mitochondrion. Similarly, I'll draw outer membrane of chloroplast. Okay, you don't have to draw anything. All right, do not draw anything right now. Just look onto the screen and let us consume everything. Kuch bhi banana nahi hai, just absorb everything, just consume everything. Okay, so two outer membranes are done. Now I'm drawing the inner membrane for mitochondria. So kaise banega? Is tarah se. Correct, students? Ye dekho, maine bana diya. This is the inner membrane of mitochondria. It has foldings. Inner membrane has foldings. Very good, Mansi. Shabash. Well done, Pooja. Very well done. Okay, students, what I'll do is I'll expand this chloroplast a bit because I want to draw structures also inside it. So now, look at the inner membrane of chloroplast. Look at the inner membrane of chloroplast. कैसा दिख रहा है, students? Inner membrane of chloroplast, how it is looking? Check करो. It is continuous. It is continuous, right, students? It is continuous. It is not having any foldings. Okay, my next question, students, my next question is, what is the name of this region over here? What is the name of this region?
Matrix.
Matrix.
Shabash. I think Palak was the first one to reply. Palak was the first one to reply. The name of this region inside the inner membrane, this region of the inside inner membrane is named as matrix. ठीक है? Jigar, are you fine today? Jigar कहाँ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm fine.
तेरे आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे.
अरे सर अब मैं क्या बोलूं?
क्यों? आंसर्स तो दे. आंसर्स देते रहे जिगर. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
मुझे आवाज सुननी है तेरी. ओके, चलो. Yes, students. So this is known as matrix. Okay, this is known as matrix. All right, students. Now let us go to the chloroplast. So in chloroplast, instead of matrix, we have which region inside the inner membrane, students? ये जो region है इसको क्या बोलेंगे? This region is known as stroma. शाबाश. Very good,
Stroma.
very good, very good. Stroma. देखो आवाज आने लगी है जिगर की. क्या बात है? अब कुछ
सर आपने बोला अभी मैं बोलूं.
Sir, stroma is also known as the ground fluid, na?
Yes, and that is because it is the, again, see, you can use different terms, students. You can use different terms. Like we use cytoplasm, cytosol for the ground matrix. We also say matrix. We also say stroma. Different terms. But I am going to write those terms which are used very common and which will be found in your textbooks. Okay, so stroma is the term over here, and matrix is the term over here. Is this understood, students? All of you?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any kind of doubt?
No, sir.
What about you?
No,
Drashti?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nidhi Mehta, Ashwini.
No.
What about you, students? Priscilla, Diksasha, Devsha,
Yes.
Zoha समझ में आ रहा है Zoha? Hello, Zoha, can you hear me? Shreya Sanghvi, Priyanka Sankhe, all of you. चलो आगे बढ़ जाते हैं students. Now, next thing. Inside the matrix कल हमने कुछ भी पढ़ाई नहीं किया. Matrix के अंदर क्या है? हमने खाली इतना बोला कि matrix के अंदर there would be, yes, very good Drashti. Matrix के अंदर we just saw कि there is going to be occurrence of Krebs cycle, right students? If you remember, we did about Krebs cycle. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा कि matrix के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा? TCA में लिख देता हूँ students because ये short form है अपना. आसानी से लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे. So
राइबोसोम होता है ना.
Yes. Okay. Let us draw that also. चलो उसको भी complete कर ही लेते हैं अभी यहीं पे. So what I'll do is I'll draw dot over here. So this will indicate ribosomes, students. This will indicate ribosomes, and by using the black color, I'll use black color and I'll draw something like this. So this will indicate DNA. Okay. So let me label this as DNA, and let me label this as ribosomes. Okay, so we will just talk about structures. F1 particle bhi rehta hai. Yes, very important. Very important. F1 particles are also there. So yahan pe ek F1 particle draw kar do students, aisa chalega? I'll not draw throughout the inner membrane. I'll draw just one F1 particle. Okay, Mansi? Yes. Chalo, F1 particle draw karte hain students. Also known as
Oxysome.
F1 particle is also known as elementary particle. Well done, Rasika. Also known as oxysome. Okay, these are the three names. Well done, Mansi Chalwadi. Very good. Okay, shabash. Chalo, let us come to the chloroplast now, students. ना chloroplast में मैंने outer membrane draw किया था जो गायब हो गया था. ये outer membrane वापस मैं draw कर देता हूँ. ठीक है? This is the outer membrane. ऐसे. Okay, done. Elementary particles पूजा, that is wrong spelling. Elementary particles का spelling पूजा होगा ELEMENTARY. ELE. What you have written is, the spelling of digestive tract. Alimentary नहीं है, elementary है. ELE. Okay. हाँ, शाबाश पूजा. That is correct spelling. Okay. So as Jigar said, we are going into the Jigar audio mute कर ले. Once you have completed the answer, you can mute your audio, students.
सर एक मेन चीज तो आप भूल ही गए सर.
हाँ बोल.
इंटरमेम्ब्रेनियस स्पेस.
इंटरमेम्ब्रेनस स्पेस. ओके वेट जब मैं दोनों कंपेयर करता हूं तो अभी अपन उसको लेबलिंग करते हैं. चलो एक काम करते हैं. वेट नाउ when he has said we have let us do that immediately. So this region over here, students, this region over here and this region over here, both these regions, can we call them intermembranous space? Can we
Yes,
call
sir.
them
Yes, sir.
intermembranous
Yes,
space?
Yes, sir.
Shabash, well done Ramesh. Intermembranous space, intermembranous space. चलो ये काम हो गया मेरा. Then I'll come to this structure जो बार बार repeatedly लोग मुझे बोले जा रहे हैं और अब तक मैंने नहीं बनाया है. And that structure is, students, thylakoids. Let us come to thylakoids. Okay, I'll use black color so that it is visible properly. ठीक है students? So this is how thylakoid would look like.
अरे
एक सेकेंड ना, एक सेकेंड. इससे पहले बना लेते हैं इसको बहुत सारे. So we
ग्राना
have many thylakoids, by the way. Yes. So these individual structure, students, ये देखो students, look over here. This one structure over here is known as thylakoid. Okay, this one structure over here is known as thylakoid. Now yesterday we discussed intraluminal, extraluminal. Remember, intraluminal region, extraluminal region. याद आ रहा है lumen, students? Lumen.
Yes,
Remember
sir.
lumen? Yes.
Empty
So
space.
shabash. So can I say this is lumen, students? This is lumen. This is lumen. This is the space. Can I call this as lumen over here? Can I call this as lumen over here? So can I say this is lumen of thylakoid? Can I call this as lumen of thylakoid, students? ये देखो, this one structure is known as thylakoid. This one structure over here is known as thylakoid. Let me label this structure. I'll label it over here. चलो यहाँ पे labeling करता हूँ. ठीक है, ये जो एक structure को मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, students? I call it as thylakoid. Thylakoid. How many thylakoids can you see over here, students? How many thylakoids can you see over here?
Three.
Okay. By the way,
3.
I have just drawn 3 thylakoids. ऐसा नहीं होता कि 3 होते हैं, बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं लाइन में. ठीक है, I've drawn one thylakoid over the other, one over the other. So imagine करो students कि like you have stacked बहुत सारे अपने coin ऐसे रखे, एक के ऊपर ऐसे coin रख दिया, बहुत सारा ऐसे stack बना दिया coin का. ठीक है, ऐसे एक के ऊपर रखते गए. उस तरह से something like that. These thylakoids are kept one over the other. They are arranged one over the other. So I have one thylakoid. Students, and I have its lumen. Again, next, thylakoid membrane. Can I call this as thylakoid membrane? Students, check karo, laser check karo. Please check the laser. Can I call this as thylakoid
Yes, sir.
membrane?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I call this as thylakoid membrane?
Yes.
No. Can I call this as thylakoid membrane? Can I call this region as thylakoid membrane?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
Lumen.
No,
था
sir.
ना?
No, sir.
This was the
That is
lumen.
shabash. That is thylakoid lumen. Correct, students? Understood?
Yes,
The
sir.
space inside thylakoid is thylakoid lumen, and the membrane is known as thylakoid membrane. Very simple. समझ में आ गई बातें? समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Shabash.
sir.
Very good. Now, students, I'm introducing a new term for you. Okay, a new term for you. This entire collection of thylakoid, is known as, yes, Jigar?
Granum.
ग्राना और मैंने
Granum.
पहले ही बोल दिया.
हाँ, पहले बोल दिया था. हम इसको पहले सिंगुलर फॉर्म ले लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. सिंगुलर फॉर्म इज ग्रैनम एंड प्लूरल होगा ग्रैना. अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको, प्लूरल भी बना के बताऊंगा. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल ड्रॉ प्लूरल फॉर्म आल्सो, डोंट वरी. आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म ग्रैनम. ठीक है, आई डोंट हैव स्पेस ओवर हियर, देयरफॉर मैंने ग्रैनम लिखा है. ग्रैना मतलब क्या? प्लूरल. बहुत सारे ग्रैनम एक साथ अपन बोलेंगे ग्रैना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन टू माय स्टेटमेंट एंड प्लीज आंसर माय क्वेश्चन. Granum is made up of many thylakoids placed one above the other. Is this true or false?
True.
True.
Okay. Every thylakoid has a lumen.
True.
True.
Shabash. Shabash. Very good. Lumen of every thylakoid is surrounded by thylakoid membrane.
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
है ना, सिंपल सा लाइन था ये तो, है ना. Okay, okay students, now my next and very important labeling. This is very important labeling. Please take a screenshot, students. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Done? Okay.
Yes.
Now I'll delete few structures over here. I'll delete few labelings over here, students. ये सब अपन कहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं? Stroma में पढ़ रहे हैं, correct? We are learning all this in stroma. Okay. Now let me delete this also. So granum का labeling is gone. है ना? I'll draw another granum with by using different color now. Okay? और कोई और color use करता हूँ. And ऐसे कुछ करके next. And next. So this is another granum coming up. Check karo. One granum is black in color. One granum is green in color. Can you see this, students? Can you see
Yes,
this?
sir.
One granum is green in color. One granum is black in color. Next. Very important. This is very important, students. Please focus over here. I can see these colorful dot like structures. है ना? Dot जैसे structures नहीं है, but I can see few structures inside the lumen of thylakoid. Can you see structures inside the lumen of thylakoid, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, structures inside the lumen of thylakoids.
Yes, sir.
These structures are known as photosynthetic pigments. They are known as photosynthetic pigments. Okay? या फिर हम इनको एक और टर्म दे सकते हैं. चलो पहले मैं फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट लिख देता हूं. फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट्स. ठीक है? Photosynthetic pigments. What will be their role, students? Can anybody guess what will be their
Synthesize
role?
the sunlight.
Photosynthesis.
No. Synthesize the sunlight?
Light.
Synthesize ribosomes.
No.
Giving color.
Very good. They will give you color. That is right answer. But what is the main function? Absorbing the light, students.
Trap sunlight.
Shabash. Trap sunlight. Manav Gandhi has said me in the chat box. They help in the process of photosynthesis. Very good. That is the first step. So these photosynthetic pigment, students, they are going to absorb light. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
They are going to absorb light. Quickly take a screenshot. Students.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes, please ask me your doubt.
Thylakoids are rectangular in shape or circular?
Okay. Now, thylakoids are more of flattened sac-like structures. Flattened, dorsiventrally flattened. Okay. Over here, just to make you understand, I have given this shape. I'm shortly coming to the actual diagram. Then you will realize the shape. Okay, Shrishti?
Okay.
Okay. Now, students, have you heard about chlorophyll? क्लोरोफिल के बारे में सुना है हमने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say,
Yes, sir.
can I say these green structures, maybe they are chlorophyll, maybe they are chlorophyll,
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
Because
Yes,
chlorophyll का
yes,
भी
sir.
function वही है students,
Yes.
absorbing the sunlight, absorbing the sunlight. That is the entire function of this structure. So my conclusion over here is, students, definitely thylakoids, next word, listen to my next word, definitely thylakoids, and hence granum, and hence grana are going to help in absorption of light. Is this understood? I'll repeat everything. Listen to me carefully. Photosynthetic pigment are going to absorb sunlight for me. Is that understood? है ना, इतना तो क्लियर है. Photosynthetic pigment present in the lumen of thylakoid, photosynthetic pigments present in the lumen of thylakoid are going to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now my next statement. वापस वाला रिपीट करता हूं, then I'll go to next statement. खाली आप समझो कि आपको can you recollect, can you connect these terms? So photosynthetic pigments present in the lumen of thylakoid help in absorption of sunlight, help in trapping the sunlight. Next, therefore I can say thylakoids also help in trapping of sunlight. Thylakoids also help in trapping of sunlight. And therefore I can say granum is also helping in trapping of sunlight. Can I say that? Granum is also helping in trapping of sunlight, students.
Yes.
Can I say
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me extend this further. Now instead of granum, I'll take the entire picture now. Grana helps me to absorb sunlight. Grana helps me to trap sunlight. बोलो, समझ में आ गई बात? समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes,
सबको
sir.
समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes,
सबको
sir.
समझ में आ गई? Very good, Manasvi.
Yes,
Very good,
sir.
Manasvi. Shabash, Mansi. Everyone has understood this. Priscilla, what about you? This is her first session, therefore I am very concerned about this girl. It should not happen कि because of bouncer ही चले जा रहे हैं बेचारी को. Yes, Priscilla, can you understand everything? Are you able to pick everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Do let me know if you're not understanding anything. Okay, any word or anything else. What about you, Sakshi, Shreya Sangvi, Swati, Arpita? Arpita, what about you? Shabash, very good, very good. Okay, students. Yes, Pooja. Okay, yes, students. Now what I'll do is, students, I'll ask 2-3 more students to revise everything that I've covered up till now. Once I'll revise everything, abhi start to end jitna bhi maine cover kiya, I'll revise everything. And then I want you people to revise for me. Okay, students. And before that, let me add a few more things in this diagram, students. Just like DNA present in the mitochondria, students, I also have DNA present in the chloroplast. ये देखो ऐसे बना के छोड़ देता हूँ DNA. Okay, I have DNA present in the chloroplast also, and I have ribosomes also present in the chloroplast, students. I have ribosomes also present in the chloroplast. So let me label it in this pattern. Okay?
Sir, means the cell
So
also
DNA
self-duplicating, na?
Shabash, very good, very good. Very good. So DNA is present in both mitochondrion as well as chloroplast. Therefore, they are self-replicating, self-duplicating. Self-replicating, self-duplicating. कोई भी word अपन use कर सकते हैं. Next, ribosomes अब कहाँ present है? Let us try to identify. Let us try to recollect. Ribosome तो हर जगह आ जा रहा है. तो सबसे पहले ribosome present in endoplasmic reticulum. Very good, Jenny. Very good, Jenny. Next, present in mitochondria.
Chloroplast.
Present in chloroplast and present all over
Cytoplasm.
साइटोप्लाज्म, दैट इज राइट
Cytoplasm.
आंसर, वेल डन वाली सोलंकी, साइटोप्लाज्म, है ना। तो 4 तो हमको मिल गया, 4 जगह तो हमको मिल गया। अच्छा, इसके बाद अपन राइबोसोम को पकड़ने वाले, डोंट वरी, बहुत यहाँ वहां भाग रहा है, उसके बाद अपन वही पकड़ने वाले।
Sir, one question.
यस यस
सर क्लोरोप्लास्ट और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को मतलब क्यों चाहिए रहता है डीएनए और राइबोसोम्स खुद के?
Okay, let us understand this, Ki why do I need this? Now if I go to see these two cell organelles, if I go to see students, these two cell organelles they play very very important role. Let me go for mitochondria first. Mitochondria, so mitochondria needs to produce lots and lots of energy. Later on in your syllabus you're going to study about the structure, I should say tissues present in human body. So there you will understand epithelial, you'll understand connective, you'll understand muscular, you'll understand nervous. In that you have muscular tissue, and in muscular tissue you have different types of muscles, where you will understand कि muscle का main function क्या है, locomotion में help करना. So it needs to do work, contraction, relaxation, and for that it needs energy. So energy कहाँ से आएगा? फटाफट energy कहाँ से बनेगा रमीज? So to produce so much amount of energy, these organelles are needed, ATP is needed, therefore mitochondria are needed, and hence maybe naturally they've been given this tendency to self-replicate. And same is the process for chloroplast also, who are needed to produce food in case of green plants. Therefore, because they are performing such an important function, therefore maybe they are given this blessing kind of thing, you can self-replicate, you can self-duplicate. That is the only reason which we can interpret. Yes. Muscles also function in the storage of they also function in the storage of fat, but not that much. Adipose tissue perform the main function. That is the main function for adipose tissue, and not muscles. Muscles are like, क्या है तब पता muscles क्या होते हैं? Muscles को अगर glucose नहीं मिल रहा है रमीज, if muscles are not getting glucose, then they will run for fatty acids. They will run for fat. I'm so sorry. They will run for fat, and that is where we lose weight. है ना? Therefore, if an individual suppose सोचता है कि मुझे I want to lose weight, I want to become thinner, तो individual क्या करेगा students? Dietitians क्या बोलते हैं? Please stop carbohydrates. तो जैसे ही मैंने carbohydrates बंद कर दिया, मेरे body का सब fat will start getting utilized, and there I start thinning now. Anyways, I'll discuss this entire unit, this entire case study in respiration chapter. Don't worry. तो वहां मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि डाइटिशियन का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. इनफैक्ट यू पीपल विल आल्सो स्टार्ट गाइडिंग योर पेरेंट्स इफ यू वांट. आप अच्छे से उनको एक्सप्लेन कर पाओगे कि कैसे आपको वेट लूज करना है. ओके, बट हम सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, हम वेट लूज कर नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वो कोई डेडिकेशन के साथ करता नहीं. सो अपन सिखा तो सकते हैं. यस रमीज, और एल्स आरसेल्व्स. ओके Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Let us move ahead, students. So I'll explain everything which I have covered up till now, and then you have to revise for me. Simultaneously, students who want to write can start noting the things down in your notebooks also. Okay, but I want all of you to have your one ear with me. ठीक है, आपका एक कान मेरे साथ होना चाहिए. Listen to what I'm saying, and then you can start. Students, by the way, chloroplast में there are few more structures which are left to be labeled, but I'll come to those structures when I'll show you the diagram, actual image. Okay. तो अभी कुछ और स्ट्रक्चर्स बाकी हैं. Do not end your notes over here with regards to chloroplast. Okay. So last time we did mitochondria. Today we started with chloroplast, and we started with plastids first. So we have 3 types of plastids. Plastids के 3 types होते हैं. First is chloroplast. Then I have chromoplast. I have leucoplast. Right? Chloroplast perform the main function of photosynthesis. Then chromoplast perform the function of imparting color, giving color to the parts of plant. है ना? First of all, plastids, by the way, I missed this point. Plastids are present only in plant cells. पहले तो आपको ये बोल देना. Plastids are present in eukaryotic cell, and that too only plant cells. They are not present in animal cells. Okay. Next, plastids have 3 types: chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast performs photosynthesis. Chromoplast will give me color, and then leucoplast is for the storage. Leucoplast, again, I have 3 types of leucoplasts. The first type is amyloplast, which will store carbohydrate. The second type is elaioplast, which will store oil and fat. Both of them are also known as lipids. ठीक है, यहीं पर रिकलेक्शन करने का. Also fat is not same as fatty acid. Fats are in fact made up of fatty acids. ठीक है. Next, the last type of leucoplast is known as aleuroplast, which will store proteins. Okay, this is done with the plastids ka introduction. Then we went into chloroplast ka detailed analysis. So if I go to see the structure of chloroplast, chloroplast same as mitochondrion is made up of two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Both the membranes are continuous. Both the membranes are continuous. The space between two membranes is known as intermembranous space. It is known as intermembranous space. Also, students, in your books, you've been given one more term for this. One more term for this, and you can give me that term. Don't worry, आप खुद ही मुझे आंसर कर दोगे. ये देखो. If I have to say in this pattern, something which is around stroma, something which is around stroma is known as peristromial space या पेरिस्ट्रोमियम. करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? तो अगर आपको ये टर्म मिला बुक में तो आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है, आप इमीडिएटली समझ जाओगे कि if they are saying peristromium to this region, I can understand what they are indicating. They want to say something which is around stroma, something which is around stroma. Jyotika was the first one who replied me immediately in the chat box. Well done, Jyotika. So peristromium space. Next, I'll come to the space inside the inner membrane, and hence it is known as stroma. The entire space inside the inner membrane is known as stroma. Stroma has flat disc-like structures known as thylakoids, which are placed one above the other. Okay, which are placed one above the other. So this entire structure is known as granum, and we have like this, we have many grana throughout the chloroplast, throughout the stroma. Okay, students, many grana throughout the stroma. Next, thylakoid have lumen inside them. Thylakoids have lumen inside them, and in this lumen we can see photosynthetic pigments. The function of photosynthetic pigment is to absorb sunlight. Therefore, I can say function of thylakoid also to absorb sunlight. Function of granum is also to absorb sunlight. Function of grana is also to absorb sunlight. Understood, students? Understood? अच्छा एक question पूछता हूँ. Did I use this term up till now? Function of thylakoid is to produce food. अब तक मैंने ऐसा बोला क्या एक बार भी?
No, sir.
नहीं.
No, sir.
That
No, sir.
means surely that means thylakoids are not involved in synthesis of food. They are just involved in trapping of food. ठीक है? Like एक simple example ले ले तो एक father and mother. If suppose mother is a housewife, homemaker. Mother is a housewife, and father will earn. Father salary earn करेंगे, बाहर जाके काम करेंगे, and mother will take care of home, she'll take care of you, everything she will do. So ऐसा कुछ responsibility यहाँ पे है students. कौन absorb करेगा सारा money, पूरे दुनिया भर का पैसा कौन absorb कर लेगा? आपके डैडी सारे पैसे से खींच लेंगे सबसे. तो वो काम कौन कर रहा है? थाइलाकोइड कर रहा है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ओके. एंड देन वो पैसे लेकर फादर आपको किसको दे देंगे? आपकी मदर को, कि नाउ यू कैन नाउ कुक फूड, यू कैन नाउ मैनेज होम. सो वो काम कौन करने वाला है थोड़ी देर बाद बताऊंगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ी देर बाद बताऊंगा. ठीक है? सो यहाँ तक सारी बातें क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट, DNA is present in mitochondria also, DNA is present over here also, ribosomes present over here also, ribosomes present over here also. Okay students? अच्छा, अब मेरे को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. What can I see over here? Can I see a connection between two thylakoids? Can I see a connection between two thylakoids over here?
Yes, sir.
Connection
Yes.
between two thylakoids. And connection, I can say, ऐसे देखो students, compulsory नहीं, this is not compulsory because I had less space over here, less space over here. इसलिए you can in fact see कि all the thylakoids are connected to each other. That may not be the case. That may not be the case. Okay, so suppose खाली एक ही connection होता अगर, तो इस connection को या जहां भी connection होगा, wherever they are connected, that connection will be known as, it will be termed as, this connection will be termed as intergrana lamellae. लैमिला, समझ रहे हैं? लैमिला, इंटरग्रेना लैमिला। समझ में आया मतलब कैसे आया स्टूडेंट्स? बिटवीन टू ग्रेना, दे आर कनेक्टिंग टू ग्रेना. दिस इज वन ग्रेनम, दिस इज अनदर ग्रेनम, one granum, second granum, one granum, second granum, first granum, second granum, first granum, second granum. Together क्या बोलूं? ग्रेना. राइट है ना? प्लूरल फॉर्म है ना ग्रेना. फर्स्ट बॉय, सेकेंड बॉय, फर्स्ट बॉय, सेकेंड बॉय, बॉयज. गर्ल, गर्ल, गर्ल्स. ग्रैनम, ग्रैनम, ग्रेना. This is intergrana lamella. Intergrana lamella. Is this understood? Is this understood, students?
Yes.
Anybody wants me to repeat this again? I'll repeat this. I'll repeat this. This is granum. This is granum. I want to label this part. Something which is connecting two grana. Something which is present between two grana. So I'll say intergrana lamella. Intergrana lamella. Am I clear, students? Okay? सबको समझ में आ गई बात? Yes. चलो, let us get this repeated now. Okay, students? Let us get this repeated.
So,
चलो. Yes, yes, Rebecca.
sir, I had a doubt that granum is only thylakoid.
Granum means this structure. Granum may have many thylakoids. समझा? एक काम करते हैं, Rebecca. Suppose you have 10 coins, each of 5. ठीक है? 5-5 के 10 कॉइन है अपने पास. ओके? एंड सारे कॉइन्स को मैंने ऐसे रख दिया, एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर. ठीक है? तो ये पूरे स्ट्रक्चर को मैं क्या बोलूंगा? ग्रैनम. एंड एक कॉइन को कॉइन, दिस इज कॉइन, this is granum, so this is thylakoid, this is granum. So one granum is made up of many thylakoids. So this is one granum, as you can see, this is one granum. Understood? And this is one thylakoid. What about this? This is
Yes,
also
sir,
one
understood.
granum. This is also one granum. So together I will call them as grana. Understood? Okay. Chalo. Let us get this repeated.
Sir,
student.
even I had a doubt.
Yes, yes. Pucho.
What are frets in chloroplast?
Okay, very good, very good. So intergrana lamella, students. I wanted to come to this word once I had presented the image actually, but okay, well, now that she has asked, let us address this issue now only. So this connection between two grana, students, connection between two grana is known as intergrana lamella. Intergrana lamella. It is also known as fret channels. F-R-E-T. F-R-E-T. Fret channels. Fret channels. So this connection between two grana is also known as fret channels or just fret. Is that understood? So इसी का नाम है intergrana lamella. इसी का नाम है fret. इसी का नाम है fret channels. इसी का नाम है फोर्थ नेम, इसी का नाम है स्ट्रोमा लैमिला. Stroma lamella. Why stroma lamella? Present in stroma. Maybe that's why. Stroma lamella. I'm not saying interstroma. I'm saying stroma lamella. So 4 names: intergrana lamella, stroma lamella, fret channels, or just fret. Lamella means a channel like, Priyanka. ठीक है students? Is that clear? चलो एक बार repetition कर लें. Yes, we'll start with Priyanka first, then we will go to other people also. चलो Priyanka. You have to explain me plastids and then you have to come to chloroplast का explanation. Okay Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
चलो start.
Plastids are only present in plant cell. They are divided into chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast, chloroplast performs photosynthesis, chromoplast gives color to the plants, and leucoplast does the work of storage. It is divided into uh, amyloplast, which stores carbohydrates. Then elioplast, which stores oil and fats. Then eleuroplast, which stores protein. Then chloroplast structure. It has it is a double membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. The space between outer and inner membrane is called as intermembranous space. Then the space which is there inside the inner membrane is called as stroma. Then chloroplast has DNA, due to which it is self-duplicating. Then it also has ribosomes. Then there are many grana in stroma. Then the connection between two grana.
Wait. Priyanka, tell me, there are many grana in stroma. That is right statement. Next, tell me each granum is made up of many dash.
Thylakoid.
Thylakoids. Very good. Next, each thylakoid has a membrane and dash.
Lumen.
Lumen is right answer. Every thylakoid in its lumen will have dash.
Photosynthetic pigment.
Very good. Photosynthetic pigments, the main function of photosynthetic pigments is dash.
Light.
Trapping the sunlight, absorbing the sunlight. In fact, students, I can also add over here. Yes, you can mute your audio, Priyanka. Well done. You can also add over here. The main function is, if you are a 10th standard student, you will say yes, the main function is trapping the sunlight or absorbing the sunlight. But now if you consider yourself a 11th standard student, science student, biology student, botany student, then you will say function of photosynthetic pigment is trapping sunlight and therefore converting sunlight, that is light energy, into chemical energy. Light energy into chemical energy. यहीं पे होता है. ये कैसे पढ़ेंगे, कैसे होता है, कहाँ होता है, कब होता है, क्यों होता है? You will study this in photosynthesis chapter. Okay, students? But you can definitely use this statement over here. Okay, because this is where now ATP and NADPH, these both chemicals are going to get produced over here in the thylakoid. Okay, students? ठीक है, so मेहनत के बदले पैसे मिलते हैं आपके फादर को, so वो पैसे क्या है? ATP and NADPH. ठीक है, so आज अगर आप डैड को बोलोगे मुझे 500 रुपीज चाहिए, मुझे 200 रुपीज चाहिए पिज्जा खाने के लिए, तो आपको उनको ऐसे बोलना है मुझे ATP और NADPH दे दो. NADPH is 500 and ATP is 100 rupees. Okay, जब वो पूछेंगे ये क्या होता है, ये क्या है, so आप उनको समझाने का, see you are trapping sunlight, right? You are trapping everybody's money. So out of that I need some NADPH and give me some ATPs also. And I'll give that to my mom and she's going to produce food for me. So she's going to order food from Zomato. Zomato will be the secretary. Yes, I can see message in the chat box. Vesicle, correct, vesicles, transport vesicles. Okay, chalo. Next would be Ramesh. Yes, Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट रमेश, just a second. हाँ पूजा, that NADPH is NADPH, ATP and NADPH. बट पूजा वो हम फोटोसिंथेसिस चैप्टर में भी पढ़ने वाले हैं, वहां पे मैं बना के दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है? सो अभी इफ यू डोंट राइट दैट इज आल्सो ओके, ठीक है? चलो, रमेश इज रिपीटिंग एवरीथिंग स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन टू हिम केयरफुली, डू नॉट कीप ऑन राइटिंग, लिसन टू हिम केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू रिवाइज विथ हिम। इसके पहले कि रमेश बोले, आप भी आगे आगे बोलते रहो मन ही मन में, बिकॉज आप सबका ऑडियो म्यूट पे है, सो नोबडी इज गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब हिम। Start on this.
Okay, sir. So plastids are the organelles which are mainly present in eukaryotic cells, especially in plants. There are different kinds of plastid. For example, chloroplast, which contain chlorophyll and carotenoid. Then chromoplast, which are mainly responsible for imparting color to several parts of the plant. Which also consists of carotenoids. The carotenoids are then subcategorized as xanthophiles and many other colors. Then comes leucoplast. The leucoplast has three subcategories: amyloplast, which stores carbohydrates; ureoplast, which stores fats and oil; eleuroplast, which stores proteins. Then about the chloroplast and its anatomy. There are two membranes, the inner membrane and the outer membrane. The space within these two membranes is known as the intermembranous space. The whole chloroplast is mainly consists of thylakoids, stroma, ribosomes, and DNA. The thylakoids are flattened disc-like structures which are arranged arranged in stacks. These stacks are called as granum, and the structures which connect the granum together are known with many names such as intergranular lamella, fret channels, etc. Then, sir, इतना ही है बस.
Very nicely said. आराम से, I was enjoying. Very good. Well done, Ramesh.
थोड़े points मैंने miss out कर दिए होंगे, but I was a little bit nervous. Sorry.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Let us go to Ashwini next. Ashwini. Ashwini, can you hear me, Ashwini? Ashwini Rajan. Okay. Arpita. Okay. Priscilla. Okay. Drasika. Yes. Please start.
Yes, sir. So today we studied about plastids. Plastids are mainly present in eukaryotic cells and they are present only in plant cells. Plastids are divided into three types: chloroplast, which performs the work of photosynthesis. The second is chromoplast, which performs the function of giving color. A leucoplast, which is used for storage purpose. Then leucoplast is divided into three types: a myeloplast, aleuroplast, and elioplast. A myeloplast will store carbohydrates. Elioplast will store oil and fats. Oil and fats are together termed as lipids. Aleuroplast will store proteins. Fats are made up of fatty acids. Fatty acids are formed by glycerol, fats, lipids, and oil. Then we studied about the structure of chloroplast. A chloroplast is a double membranous structure. It has an outer membrane and an inner membrane. The space between, both the membranes are continuous. The space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane is known as intermembranous space, which is also known as peristromium space, as it is present around the stroma. The space inside the inner membrane is termed as stroma. Stroma has flat disc-like structures termed as thylakoids. Thylakoids are placed one above the other, and the whole structure is known as stroma. No, sorry, granum. There are many grana present inside the inner membrane. Other space inside the thylakoid is known as lumen. Inside the lumen, photosynthetic pigments are present. They perform the work of chlorophyll, that is, they will absorb light and convert the light energy into chemical energy. DNA is present inside the inner membrane, same as mitochondria. As DNA is present inside the inner membrane, it is known as self-duplicating. Ribosomes are also present inside the inner membrane. The connection between two grana are known as intergrana lamella, fret channels, stroma lamella, etc. There are also ribosomes present inside the inner membrane. Thylakoid absorbs light. Ribosomes are present in mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, and cytoplasm. Photosynthetic pigments absorb light, but they are not included in food synthesis. And the connection, there are many names for that.
The channels, stroma lamellae, intergrana lamellae, and just fret also. Okay. Next is Mansi Chalwadi. Mansi Chalwadi. Okay. Vari Solanki. Vari Solanki.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please start.
Yes, sir. Okay. Plastids. Plastids are only present in plant cells. Plastids are further subdivided into three: chloroplast, which mainly consists of chlorophyll and carotenoid; chromoplast, which consists of carotenoids, uh, which comprise xanthophyll and carotene; and the third is leucoplast, which is mainly concerned with the purpose for storage. Leucoplast is further subdivided into three: amyloplast, which is concerned with the storage of carbohydrates; elioplast, which is concerned with the storage of oil and fats; and eleuroplast, which is concerned with the storage of proteins. Further, let us analyze chloroplast. Okay. Chloroplast is a double membranous structure. The outer membrane and the inner membrane are continuous. The ground fluid, the space between the outer and the inner membrane is known as the intermembranous space. The ground fluid present inside the inner membrane is known as stroma. Flat disc-like flattened sacs present inside the stroma known as thylakoids. Thylakoids are hello.
Go on, man.
Sorry. Yeah. Thylakoids are flattened sacs present inside the stroma. The space inside the thylakoid is known as the thylakoid lumen. There are many photosynthetic pigments present inside the thylakoids, which are concerned with the trapping of sunlight. The thylakoids are arranged above one another, and they are combinedly known as granum. In the stroma, ribosomes and DNA are also present, and two granum are connected by intergrana lamellae or fret channels.
Okay, very good, Vari. So next would be Manasvi. Manasvi. Manasvi, can you hear me? Manasvi Rathod. Okay. ठीक है. Next is Rebecca.
Yes, sir. Today we studied another cell organelle which is present in eukaryotic cell, that is plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cell. They are absent in animal cell. Now plastids are divided into three types as chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. The chloroplast is made up of chlorophyll and carotenoid. It also performs a function of photosynthesis. Next is the chromoplast, which is made up of carotenoids, that is carotene and xanthophyll. The function of it is to impart colors to various parts of the plant, for example, the petals of a flower. And the
fruit
last
also.
type
Let's
is,
say fruit also. Fruit. So
okay,
fruit
sir,
is
fruit.
also the color from this only. Yes.
Okay, sir. Fruit also. And the last is leucoplast, which is meant for storage. Leucoplast is again divided into three types as amyloplast, which stores carbohydrate, elioplast, which stores oil and fat, which can also be said it stores lipid, and a luroplast, which stores protein. Then we studied about chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membranous structure as it has two membranes, that is the inner membrane and the outer membrane. Both the membranes are continuous. The space between the inner and the outer membrane is known as intermembranous space or peristromium space, as it is present around the stroma. The region or the space inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast is known as stroma. The stroma has flat disc-like structures, which is known as thylakoids. They are placed one above the other. When many thylakoids are placed one above the other, they are known as granum. Granum is the singular form and grana is the plural form. Each thylakoid has lumen. Lumen is the empty space in each thylakoid. Uh, there is photosynthetic pigments which are present in each lumen, and their function is to absorb sunlight. They convert light energy into chemical energy. They are not involved in the production of food. They are only meant for trapping sunlight. There is also DNA present in chloroplast. Hence, it is also known as self-replicating or self-duplicating cell organelle. There are also ribosomes present in the chloroplast. The connect when two grana meet, that place is known as intergrana lamella or fret channel or stroma lamella.
Very well
Thank
done.
you, sir.
Next is Jyotika.
Yes, sir. Today we start. 1 second, sir. Yeah. Today we started with plastids. Plastids are divided into 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. Today we started with plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cells. Plastids are divided into chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast chloroplast helps in photosynthesis and it is made up of chlorophyll and carotenoid. Chromoplast helps to impart colors and it is made up of carotenoids, that is carotene and xanthophyll. Leucoplast helps in storage and it is further divided into amyloplast, elioplast, and eleuroplast. Amyloplast helps in storage of carbohydrates. Elioplast helps in storage of oil and fat, which is also known as lipids. Eleuroplast helps in storage of proteins. Then we studied about the structure of the chloroplast. Chloroplasts have two membranes. One is outer membrane and another one is inner membrane. The space between them is known as intramembranous space. The space inside the the region present in the inner
The region
inside the
present
chloro. Yes,
Hold
sir. Inside the chloroplast, the region is known as stroma. There are many flat stack-like structures known as thylakoids. Inside the thylakoids, we have lumen, which can also known as thylakoid lumen, and thylakoid has membrane. Inside the lumen, we have photosynthetic pigments. In that, chlorophyll is also present, which helps to absorb light, which is further converted into chemical energy. And afterwards, we learned that group of thylakoids are known as granums, and many such granums are known as grana.
Very
The
good.
connection of granum are known as intergrana lamella or fret channels or stroma lamella or only fret.
Very good. That's it.
Afterwards,
That's it.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well done, Jyotika. Next would be
Yes,
Drashti.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what is the use of DNA in fluorescence?
It will help. It will help in replication, forming copies. It has entire genome of it. Okay.
Yes.
So your mic is off.
Okay. Next is Drashti. Can you hear me now, students? Hello? Hello, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir. Yes, sir.
Drashti Shah. Drashti Shah, can you hear me, Drashti? Okay, Dev Shah. Dev. Diksha Shah. Diksha Shah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Diksha. Please go ahead. Should I switch on the PPT for you?
No, sir. It's okay.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. very good. You can go. Yes, yes, you can start.
Plastic, it's present only in plants. It is classified into chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast is used for photosynthesis. Chromoplast give color. Leucoplast is used for storage. It is again classified into three. Ambroplast is used for storage carbohydrates. Neoplast is used for storage oil and fat. Alleloplast is used for storage protein. Chloroplast. Chloroplast has two membranes. Both are continuous. The space between both the membranes is known as intermembranous space or peristromium. The space between intermembrane is known as stroma. There are many thylakoids. Collection of thylakoids are known as granium.
Granum.
They are flattened disc-like structure. This empty space inside is known as lumen. It has membrane. Thylakoid has
photosynthetic pigment which give color and absorb sunlight. Chloroplasts also have ribosome DNA, which is used for self-duplicating.
Your voice is cracking a lot.
Sir, done.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is cracking a lot, Diksha. Okay. ठीक है. Next would be Srushti Panchal. Srushti, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Srushti Panchal.
Today we studied about plastids. There are 3 types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and
I want all of you to
leuco-
participate, students. I think Srushti being her. I want all of you to be active students, because see, why I'm taking Viva, try to understand me. What I can do is I can easily go on teaching. I can easily cover ribosomes. I can go into nucleus. I can start with prokaryotic cell. But the only thing is initially, because these are online lectures. So I want to recognize you people. I want to see how many of you have absorbed how many, what proportion of this lecture. That is what I want to understand. So I know very well about few students. Now I know well about Priya. I know very well about Rebecca. I know very nicely about Srushti Panchal also, about Vari Solanki, about Priyanka Sankhya, about Devanshi, Jyotika. Then these are Drasika. These are the names whom I can trust now. I know ki they are getting everything which I am sending through this session. And also if they are not getting it, they let me know. Mahi Nandu, and Pooja Chaurasia, Ashwini. But other students, because of these many students, maybe there is a chance ki matlab I might miss your name. So you have to be more proactive over here. Aapko mujhe batan, because you don't know me. I don't know you personally. I have not been teaching you since years now. So I want to recognize you. So you have to raise your hand. Ramiz also, I can include that in that list. Ramiz, Jigar, then Palak. Yes, surely. Palak. And then who else? Mansi Chalwadi, Adi Purav. These students, I know them very well. They are responding very nicely, and more often than not, as soon as I call out their name, they start answering. But what about others? Nidhi Mehta also, Manav Gandhi also. What about others? You people have to be responsive. मतलब आपको सामने से बोलना है कि सर मुझे answer दो. Please ask me. I want to answer. So then I'll get confidence from you also ki theek hai. If this student is saying ki yes, I'm understanding, I'm sure he or she is understanding. It is not just for the sake of it that you are saying ki yes, I've understood. So you will have to help me to develop that trust in you. Otherwise, I'll be skeptical. I mean, I can just go on speaking and go on teaching, but then how much is getting into your head? That is also very important, students. It is not just completing the syllabus. It is about completing the syllabus with your understanding. Okay, so be relaxed with me. Don't have to worry. Zara bhi tension nahi lena hai. I am not going to judge you. See, you have board people to judge you, boards people. मैं नहीं जज करूंगा, मैं तो आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना. अगर मैं ही जज कर लूंगा तो आपको पढ़ाऊंगा कैसे? अगर मैंने आपको जज कर लिया कि ठीक है रेबेका को तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है, जान दे, हो गया, फिर मैं क्या कर लूंगा? फिर मैं उसको पढ़ाऊंगा कैसे? Because I am the one who is going to teach her. So I should be getting the first hand information about your weaknesses. You have to tell me. Like Zoha ने मुझे बहुत पहले मैसेज किया था कि सर आप है ना कभी कभी हिंदी में भी कुछ कुछ चीजें बोला करो, रिपीट कर दिया करो, so that I am more comfortable with हिंदी. मुझे concepts थोड़ा समझ में आ जा रहा है, तो मुझे पूरा इंग्लिश का थोड़ा इशू हो जाएगा. हिंदी में भी प्लीज रिपीट, कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग थिंग्स. So I've started this thing to repeat certain things in Hindi, students. So that is very important to understand कि आपको मुझे समझ में आना चाहिए कि आपको क्या क्या weaknesses है. ठीक है, like for example, I know कि Jyotika and Ashwini, both of them are more comfortable with English. They are not that comfortable with Hindi. So I have to make sure कि I repeat everything in English at least. So once they should understand कि yes, I've got this concept. So if in case I miss something in English while reciting everything in English, if I go into Hindi terms, then they may message me कि sir please repeat this in English. So that is how you have to be. That is how the communication has to be. It has to be two-way traffic. Otherwise, you won't be enjoying the sessions. Till now, it has been two-way traffic, but I request other students also to be reactive. Okay, if you're not proactive, at least be reactive. When I'm asking the questions, raise your hand. Let me know कि sir, I also know the answer. Please ask me. You people should fight within yourselves. है ना? You people should fight within yourselves. कि यार मेरे को पूछो, आप मुझे क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे हो? ऐसा आपका कंप्लेन आना चाहिए. दृष्टि शाह, श्रेया सांघवी, विवेक, ये सबको कंप्लेन करना चाहिए. आप मुझे क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे हो? मुझे तो आपने पूछा ही नहीं. That should happen, but that is not happening. So ऐसे भी हो रहा है बहुत बार कि if I'm calling out the names, people are not even responding. So वो क्यों हो रहा है? Maybe two reasons. पहला reason या three reasons I should say. One, network issue. Second, आपको डर लग रहा है. And third, आपको आता नहीं है. तो network issue में तो I cannot do anything. But अगर आपको मुझसे डर लग रहा है and if आपको आता नहीं है, तो दोनों चीजें I can solve. Only I can solve. Nobody else can solve. अगर आप बोलोगे मुझे डर लग रहा है, आपकी मम्मी को आपने बोल दिया मुझे ये सर से डर लगता है, तो आपकी मम्मी से थोड़ी आपको डर लग रहा है. तो अगर आप डर लगता है जिससे उसको आप बताओगे ना, रादर देन आपकी मम्मी को बताना. सो आप मुझे बताओ सर मुझे आपसे डर लगता है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं थोड़ा जोक वोक आपको सुना दूंगा, थोड़ा हंसी मजाक करूंगा, आपका डर जिस वजह से वो डर निकाल दूंगा. अगर आपको बायो से डर है ना कि मुझसे, तो आई मेक श्योर कि आई रिमूव दैट डर. दैट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक बायोलॉजी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर यू. That is my responsibility, and I'll do that very nicely. I've been doing that since years now. So you have to start speaking out. आपको मुझे बोलना है सर ये वाला तो समझा ही नहीं, मुझे जरा भी नहीं समझा. I have students. देखो, yes Priyanka, you want to say anything, Priyanka?
Yes sir, I will.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, DNA does the work of self-duplicating. Duplicating. So what is the use if they are getting duplicated?
अच्छा, ओके. ये रमीज ने भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि वापस हमको डुप्लीकेशन चाहिए ही क्यों? बिकॉज प्रियंका, क्लोरोप्लास्ट एज वेल एज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया दोनों का फंक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है and we need them more frequently. Therefore अगर उनका डुप्लीकेशन हो रहा है तो it is good for us. That is the only reason.
सर नहीं समझा आपने क्या बोला.
हेलो
सर
अच्छा,
नहीं समझा.
क्लोरोप्लास्ट का पर्पस क्या है प्रियंका? हेलो हेलो. हाँ, क्लोरोप्लास्ट का फंक्शन क्या है प्रियंका? क्लोरोप्लास्ट का फंक्शन है कि फूड सिंथेसाइज करना, फोटोसिंथेसिस से, राइट है ना? So they are very important organelle. So they should have this capacity to divide by themselves, so that they can keep on. This process can be continuous.
But sir, DNA इसमें तो हो रहा है ना?
क्या?
DNA इसमें तो हो रहा है ना, डबल.
नहीं, DNA is helping in this process. Self replicating में DNA help करेगा. Therefore DNA is present. उस organelle को help करेगा replicate करने में. समझा? Because DNA के पास
मतलब डबल.
नहीं, DNA के पास पूरा स्क्रिप्ट रहता है ना अपने पूरे जीनोम का, पूरा ब्लूप्रिंट है DNA के पास. इस वजह से DNA का होना जरूरी है. Okay?
Sir.
Yes, Palak.
Sir, once can I confirm the sequence of chloroplast? Like, can I just say and you can tell me whether I'm right or not?
Yes. Sure.
Sir, can I start?
Go ahead. Yes, go ahead, Palak.
Chloroplast has outer membrane like पहले, and उसके बाद intermembranous space, then is inner membrane. Inner membrane के अंदर stroma के अंदर there are thylakoid, and many thylakoid together are called as granum, and many granum and the stroma are called as grana. Thylakoid के अंदर there is lumen, and lumen के अंदर photosynthetic pigments.
Absolutely.
lumen का कोई दूसरा नाम है?
Lumen का कोई दूसरा नाम नहीं बोलेंगे. नहीं. Lumen का there is no different name. There is no other name for lumen. But you can also channels, intergrana lamellae. That is what you can include. Also you can speak about stroma, but I have not taught you about stroma as of now. So usko you can.
Okay. तो सर जो photosynthetic pigments है उसके अंदर chlorophyll और बाकी सब भी mention करने का होता है?
You can mention them like chlorophyll के you have types of chlorophyll. But as I said, Palak, we are going to do this in detail in photosynthesis chapter. So then you'll get to understand how many types of photosynthetic pigments we have, like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, xanthophyll, carotenoids. ये कितने types के हैं, कौन से colors देते हैं, तो वो हमको तब समझेगा. Also you'll get to understand about photosystems. Like one is photosystem 1, PS1, PS2, then Kelvin cycle, then photo respiration, then HSK pathway. तो ये हम कहाँ पढ़ेंगे? हम पढ़ेंगे photosynthesis chapter में. So then this basic knowledge would be very useful for you. अभी के लिए in this chapter you have to just this much knowledge. Yes, this is stroma, this is grana, it contains photosynthetic pigments, it contains thylakoids, उसके अंदर lumen, उसके अंदर pigments, they absorb the light. That's it. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
had
Thank
doubt.
you.
हाँ, Ashwini.
Yes, sir. The photosynthetic pigment, it impacts the color also, or its work is to trap the light only?
Yes. Okay. Very good question. So its job is to trap the light. Also, it reflects certain light. It will reflect back certain light, and that is where it will impart color to you. So I think this you will learn in physics. When the object which appears green to me is surely reflecting back the green color. Therefore, it appears green to me. ऐसा कुछ.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so after the chloroplast duplicates, the new chloroplast will get formed. So will it contain DNA?
Yes. Every chloroplast of its function, it has DNA with it.
So in mitochondria, in Golgi complex, we know that it is made up of cystine A. So in mitochondria, the inner membrane, can we say it is made up of cristae?
Cristae. Okay. Now see, cristae inner membrane is one thing. It is one component. Just the folded part, this folded structure. To that structure, I'll say it is cristae. So I cannot say it is made up of cristae. Nahi. I should say only the folded regions of the inner membrane are known as cristae. Samjha? Like for example, if this is my palm over here, then can I say कि my palm, this part of my hand is made up of fingers? No, this part of my hand also has fingers. Aisa. So inner membrane has these foldings, and these foldings are known as cristae. Inner membrane is not formed up of cristae. No.
So cristae are the finger-like projections, which are going up.
Yes,
Those.
finger-like projections, correct. Finger-like projections, or you can say foldings, which are present in the inner membrane of the chloroplast. About coming back to Golgi complex as well as for endoplasmic reticulum. So this is how you have to frame this statement. Endoplasmic reticulum as well as Golgi complex are made up of flat sac-like structures, and these flat structures are known as cisternae. Understood? Those structures are known as cisternae because that is all we have in them. Therefore, we can say that they are made up of cisternae.
So even the endoplasmic reticulum will have
Okay,
the
anybody
cis
else?
phase and all, and the trans phase, as they have cisternae.
Correct. No. The flattened structures which we see in the endoplasmic reticulum, those structures can again be termed as cisternae, but no, they do not have these phases, cis and trans.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Very good. देखो अभी सबने अच्छे खासे लोगों ने डाउट पूछा. अश्विनी ने डाउट पूछा. Okay, Jyotika, by the way, has said that she is comfortable with Hindi also. No problem with that. Okay, Jyotika.
Yes, sir. I am also comfortable with Hindi.
Very good, Ashwini. No problem. Okay, chalo, that's it, students. So I'll end the session over there. Plants will die. Vivek, chloroplast कब die हो जाएगा? Vivek has said कि chloroplast कब मरेगा? उसने पूछा. Chloroplast मर जाएगा. Plant भी मर गया तो chloroplast will also die. ऐसा कोई age factor नहीं उसका. Okay. All right, students. Thank you very much. I'll be uploading this video again by tonight or maybe late by tomorrow morning. So you can go ahead with this video, watch it and record your notes. Your written homework would be explanation of chloroplast properly and try revising the entire chapter now, students. अब तक जितना भी हुआ है. Okay. Srushti Panchal, no. Your voice was not audible. I understood you had some network
She
issue.
was audible.
Sorry, Priyanka.
She was audible.
Acha, she was not audible to me. I'm so sorry. Srushti Panchal was not audible to me. I'm sorry. That's why actually I stopped you, Srushti. Okay, chalo students. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.